think I'm going to take a shot on this AMD here. Yeah, I'm going to take a shot on this AMD here at 130.60, 131.20. $130.60 right there. 131.20. Gonna try to get, so I'm gonna do this and I'm putting my stop here. I'm gonna try to get these 60s here in AMD. Let's see what else. JP Morgan, let's see if we can get it pop back up to the 60s there. The other potential spot was like right there. But if it gets back up there, I don't know if I want it anymore. Let's see if we can get a pop up to the 60s in AMD. NVDA cracking pre-market lows. That was one, and then Rivian also. Seeing if I can get the 60s. I don't like how it's grinding its way up here. I'd like a quick flash up. Almost thinking about moving that order up to the 03s. No, I'm gonna leave it. I'm gonna leave it. See if I can get filled here. Let's see, Apple was also on lows. Let's see what Apple's doing. Apple cracked pretty hard. And then put that in. Getting close to getting filled on these 60s in AMD. I got one, got two, got some AMD here. Lows are 129.90s. My average is 61 cents. 129.90s. So I want to take some off if we get down there. Let's see what happens. Apple also looking pretty weak here. Coming in. It's AMD coming down to the hole. I do have some covers down here as we get down to the hole. Let's see, I am down at 10 or just under 10 cents. Got 50 shares off there. Let's see if we check the other side of 90 cents. We did not. We came down there and did not check the other side. Gonna see if it can try one more time, and if it can't break, then I'm gonna cover another one here. Yeah, I'm gonna cover another one there if I can get it. Did not get it. Got it there. Can go ahead and cancel my stop. Gonna set a break even now on my remainder and see if we can get a big flush down in this AMD. We are holding on to the 130s here. I'd like to see this offer come down and smack this 130. It doesn't look like we're going to have that here today. Let's give it another couple chances here. There we go. Let's see if we can go crack lows. There's low a day. New lows on AMD. Let's see how far we can go with this. Let's see if we can get down to the 50s, 2950s. Looking pretty good here. See if we can get a nice big flush. I'm down in the low 50s. Got down to 65 cents. Did not get that flush that I was hoping for. Or I was in the high 50s. I was only a few pennies away from getting another partial off. And that popped up real quick. Let's take a look at what else. Apple coming in nicely as well. Yeah, this AMD popped up way too easily. I'd like to see it go back down and test the 80s and 70s again really soon. Let's see what we get here. Can we get back down below the 80s? Not really. Not really. Gonna take another piece off there. Just protecting this trade. Break even for the remainder. Let's see what we can get if we can crack. Now we start cracking. Let's see if we can crack further. Looks like it's gonna go here. Let's see if we can break this 65-cent area. Down to a quarter position. Let's see here. We weren't able to make new lows there. We got back down there to test the area. We were not able to make new lows. Let's see what Apple's doing. Big block of trades right here. Apple. Let's see what some of the others are doing. NVDA just really falling apart down here. Let's see what Sophie is doing. Apple. And this AMD is popping just straight up. Yeah. I was hoping for more follow through to the downside. BAC, NVIDIA, Lucid, Tesla, Pfizer. Wow. Really impressive. Really impressive. Roblox continuing to crack. DWAC, Unilever, Rivian continuing to crack. JP Morgan popping up. Yeah, I think that's done for the downside. It just doesn't feel like we have all the wheels spinning. USB never cracked. Yeah, interesting. So pretty interesting. Apple, yeah, I'm gonna get stopped out on this remainder of this AMD, I think. I don't see this going back down to lows. It got down to 65 there, and then down here it got down to 80. And now it's popping up with so much more ease than it is going down. And I'm real close to getting stopped out here. That's fine. I have to play defensively to get some of my day back, so um, that's how it is. That's how it is. Let's see if we can make another move down, but I think that might be it for the day. I think this AMD is done. Apple's still looking heavy. This AMD is going to for sure stop me out up here, right there. Done with that AMD. Short.